Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Microsoft 365 account to access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other productivity tools, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 website at microsoft365.com or office.com. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Try for Free button to begin creating your Microsoft 365 account. Step 3. Choose the subscription plan that best fits your needs, whether it's for personal use, family, or business. Step 4. Enter your email address to create your Microsoft account or sign in with an existing Microsoft account if you have one. Step 5. Create a strong password for your account and provide additional security information like a phone number for account recovery. Step 6. Fill in your personal information including your name, country, and date of birth as required by Microsoft. Step 7. Enter your payment information to complete the subscription purchase. Microsoft typically offers a free trial period for new users. Step 8. Verify your email address by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Step 9. Once verified, download the Microsoft 365 apps on your devices or access them directly through your web browser to start using the full suite of productivity tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.